Welcome back to the channel, guys. So you saw it in the thumbnail. We're looking at the Gym Red Jordan 12s. Checking off shoes I've been wanting off the bucket list. This was a 2016 release I picked up from GOAT dead stock. I did get them a half size up because it was like a $60 difference, $50-$60 difference between half size up and true size. I'll take the half size up, all good in the hood, but we're going to check these out because for those of you who didn't know, the Jordan 12 is my favorite shoe of all time, my favorite silhouette, and I've been wanting to get these for 8 years now. Now I've secured them. Let's kick it. So because it's not an original colorway, we have Jumpman logo branding instead of Nike Air, but it is true to the original box style. Gym Red, white and black, Air Jordan 12 Retro size 9, US. It would have Nike Air branding if it was an OG colorway. And let's grab it a little bit. So they're a little dirty on the bottom, but here we go. My favorite silhouette of all time. If I could just have one shoe to wear the rest of my life, it would be a Jordan 12, and it would be probably the Royalties or the Taxis, the white and black silhouettes, or possibly the Playoffs, the black and white. Just something super neutral, but a Jordan 12. So on the bottom, we've got herringbone traction pods, carbon fiber, shank plate, iconic, wraps around to a black Jumpman wrapping around the front of the toe. The lateral side, plush, about as plush as it's going to get for modern interpretations of the Jordan 12. Tumbled leather. We have the white lizard scaling going throughout the Jumpman. Little kind of plastic tag. This does crack over time as they age. That does crack. That's one of the downsides to this. They're virtually indestructible, but the things that'll get them. The reason I sold my Obsidians that were dead stocks, if you don't wear them, they're going to fall apart easier. That started to crack. Sole started to separate. Unfortunate. When they come back around, because the 2012 release of the Obsidian was complete garbage. Quality, I was not spending my money on that. But since 2016, when the flu games, which I did have, kept dead stock and sold a year later, and these both came out in 2016, the quality stepped up greatly. This is far superior to that 2012 release of the Obsidians. So pretty much since 2016, they've stepped up the quality of these 12s. They are very acceptable. They're not true to OG because they'll never be that kind of quality again. I can almost guarantee it. Nothing will match the 1997 Jordan 12 quality when it comes to the retros, but it's about as good as it'll get as we wrap around the backside. That iconic back end, one of the best back ends on a shoe ever. Rubber wraps up to a red 23 with the great, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Tag, super iconic. We wrap around the medial, similar to the lateral. We have the metallic red eyelets, and then the greatest, in my opinion, the greatest toe down view. Greatest money shot of all time. I love looking down and seeing this. Doesn't matter the color. To me, greatest toe down view ever. I love it. Jean shorts, doesn't matter. 2-3 and Jumpman in white. I like to rock them unlaced. So nice and plush. High top. These are clunky. These are tanks. They're also hyper comfortable because directly under this cheap insole is a full-length Zoom bag that you do feel. So honestly, to me, the thinner the insole, the better, because the Zoom bag's right underfoot. So you can feel it all the easier. These are stiff, these are clunky, and they're super comfortable at the same time. So as far as style and comfort, they're untouchable to me. So I'm so glad to have checked these off my list. I've been wanting these for 8 years now because they came out latter portion of 2016, and here we have it. Iconic Obsidian and Flu Game 12 color blocking to where it's all the same color eyelets and upper portion and solid one color, whether it be like the Flu Games, it's solid red where even this is red, or the Obsidians, this is actually like the Obsidians where it's solid white. Playoff color blocking is where they have that different color Jumpman deal here. With the Taxis, they have the gold eyelets. With the Playoffs, they got silver eyelets, and so on. I like the clean look like this. This color blocking is my favorite when it comes to the Jordan 12, but yeah, super happy to have these. Not for everybody, but they are sure for me. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe before you leave this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.